Hi everyone, I'm Gary back from Prestige Washing. Just want to show you, I just finished the full roof. I want to show you my work. As I mentioned, gutters spot on. This entire roof. Let's go up. That's just rust on our roof. We can't do much here. Nails were a bit old, I guess, or they're not coated. All the gutters nice and beautiful. Next target is that shed. Let me start it up. I'll see. I don't think so I'll be able to finish it up because the sun's setting down now. But let's start it. If you would like to book my services, please go to www.prestigewashing.com.au, or you can email me on prestigewashing0122@gmail.com. See you later.